This property is in trouble. Let's look at the current state and then explore what a possible fix is. It looks very bleak at this time, but please watch the full video, and you might see there is a lot of promise for this property. The OYO Hotel Casino Las Vegas, formerly the Hooters Casino Hotel, has undergone a gradual decline in popularity and traffic since its 2019 rebrand, with the loss of the Hooters restaurant in 2025 delivering another noticeable blow. It's still operating as a 657-room budget off-strip property at 115 East Tropicana Avenue. But it has struggled with reputation, maintenance complaints, and reduced draw compared to its Hooters era. Here's a clear timeline and breakdown based on public reports and guest sentiment. Quick history. The property opened in 1973 as a Howard Johnson's and later became the San Remo, 1989 to 2006, a modest Italian-themed hotel casino. In 2006, it rebranded as the Hooters Casino Hotel, leaning into the restaurant chain's beachy party vibe with Hooters girls, wings, sports betting, and $1 blackjack tables. This gave it a unique, recognizable identity that appealed to a specific Middle America, NASCAR, sports fan crowd looking for fun without mega resort prices. The 2019 rebrand to OYO was the first major traffic hit. In August 2019, India-based budget hotel giant OYO, partnering with Highgate, bought the property for $135 million and rebranded it the OYO Hotel Casino Las Vegas in September 2019 after a $20 million renovation. They kept the on-site Hooters restaurant via a long-term franchise deal, but ditched the overall Hooters-themed branding. The goal was to target a broader, more budget-conscious audience with modern, affordable rooms instead of the Hooters girls and party crowd. Impact on traffic. The Hooters name had been the main national brand draw for walk-ins, casino play, and dining. Once the big exterior signs changed and the playful theme faded, many observers predicted a drop. Nobody is going to go there once it's called OYO. It shifted from a themed destination to just another budget option near the South Strip. While exact occupancy numbers right after the rebrand aren't public, guest and local commentary consistently describe it as losing its unique edge and foot traffic. OYO positioned it as a refreshing change from mega casino hotels, but the rebrand diluted the fun, recognizable identity that had sustained it for 13 years. August 2025, Hooters restaurant closes. This was the second, and bigger, hit Hooters of America filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy in early 2025 amid nationwide struggles, declining traffic, post-pandemic losses, competition. The Las Vegas Hooters location, the last one in the city, and a holdover from the old hotel branding, closed abruptly on August 8, 2025. Impact. Even after the hotel rebrand, the Hooters restaurant remained a major draw for food, drinks, sports viewing, and nostalgia. It was one of the few reasons people specifically went out of their way to OYO. Public reaction was immediate. Comments like, "How many people do you think went out of their way to go to OYO because of Hooters?" and predictions of a large decline in visitors. The closure removed the last major on-site attraction, compounding the earlier branding loss. Additional factors hurt it earlier. Closed pedestrian walkways from the Strip reduced foot traffic, and the restaurant itself had seen declining business. Hooters signage, exterior and interior, is still up in places, adding to the weird, half-rebranded feel. The result? OYO is now viewed by many locals and reviewers as one of the weaker budget options. Complaints about broken elevators, poor AC, dated rooms, and overall rundown vibe are common. It still offers cheap rooms, a small casino, pools, and a good South Strip location. But the dual losses, branding and restaurant, clearly hurt occupancy and energy. Do they have plans to get the crowds back? Yes. OYO is actively trying to reverse the slide rather than give up. Under new asset management, OYO US Inc. took over around late 2024. They've launched a broader modernization push. Elevator upgrades, faster systems, central AC fixes, expanded pools, and planned guest room refreshes. A brand new restaurant concept is coming in the old Hooters space. announced as part of the Reimagine the Property effort. New value promos, $10 food menu items and $3 drink specials, rolled out November 2025, plus the security deposit was slashed from $300 to $100 to make check-in easier and more appealing. OYO's stated goal, turn it into one of the most exciting casino hotels for Strip visitors by focusing on affordability and upgrades. Big potential tailwind. The new Oakland A's baseball stadium, opening 2028 on the former Tropicana Las Vegas site, is literally next door. OYO sits right on Tropicana Avenue with direct views, and easy access locals are already speculating it could drive room demand for games and events. Some doubt it will overcome the hotel's reputation, but the location boost is real. Bottom line, the rebrand stripped away the fun, recognizable identity, first traffic hit, and the 2025 restaurant closure removed the last big draw, second hit. OYO is fighting back with practical upgrades, new dining, better pricing policies, and the upcoming stadium traffic. It's still a very cheap, convenient off-strip option for budget travelers who don't mind trading flash for value. But whether the modernization and ballpark crowd can fully restore its earlier buzz remains to be seen. If you're curious about current conditions, recent guest reviews on TripAdvisor or Reddit paint a mixed but improving picture. The stadium is a goldmine for this hotel casino. It may be the single biggest opportunity to revive the property and make it more valuable than ever. But that won't happen unless they change the name. There is simply no way the OYO brand can succeed here. Ask any local if they've been by the OYO lately, and they'll look at you like you have two heads. You mean Hooters? Didn't they close? When you explain that the name changed from Hooters to OYO, and the restaurant later closed, they usually respond with confusion. Wait, what? The OYO name brings absolutely nothing to the property. It's time for a complete rebrand. The property should lean all the way into a baseball theme. Every employee, from dealers and hotel clerks to bell staff and managers, should wear baseball jerseys while on duty, 365 days a year, no exceptions. The bathrooms could be labeled baseball and softball. The theme should be played to the hilt so locals start talking about it constantly. Before long, visitors will want to stay there just to experience it. The most important change, however, is the name. Without a strong new name, no one will take the property seriously. Remember, Resorts World is also foreign-owned, yet they chose a name that sounds American and approachable. OYO is foreign-owned with a foreign name that virtually no one recognizes or connects with. The new name must tie directly to the stadium or baseball in general. What do you think? Leave your name suggestions in the comments. I'll make sure the OYO management sees them. Here is my list of possible names for this hotel casino. Home Run Hotel, Dugout Inn, Home Plate Hotel, The Diamond Inn, Ballpark Suites, Grand Slam Lodge, Stadium House Hotel.
Stars tap, dancing time just for me and you.
Slugger's Stay, Home Run Haven, Fans Dugout, Bleacher Beds, Extra Innings Inn, Diamond Club Hotel, The Bullpen.
I tread. Oh baby, ain't that a clickin'?
Championship Suites, All-Star Residences, Base Camp Hotel, Walk-Off Inn, Curveball Court, Knuckleball Lodge, 7th Inning Stretch Suites.
You're the groove, the jive, the rock to my roll.
Rally House Hotel, Stadium Shadow Hotel, Right Field Resort, Ballpark Boulevard Inn, Shortstop Suites, Home Plate Hotel, Grand Slam Suites.
A click in my head. The
Slugger's Stay, Diamond Club Hotel, Walk-Off Inn, The Bullpen, Extra Innings Hotel, Ballpark Haven.
The moves on a string like a puppet on cue. The moves on a string like a puppet on cue. Stars tap, dancing time just for me and you. A laugh in my chest, skip in my tread. Oh baby, ain't that a click in my head? Ain't that a click, a clap, a spark in my soul? You're the groove, the jive, the rock to my roll. Life's a tune we hum, not a word needs said. Oh baby, ain't that a click in my head?